The Bumpe Bridge in Gao Chiefdom, Bo District, is the shortest and most popular route from Bo to Matrujon and Rutile in Bont District. The bridge was wrecked over 2 months ago by a heavy-duty truck carrying a bulldozer. The trailer truck and the heavy machinery are still stuck at the fragmented bridge, one of the reasons President Bio had to stop over and see.
We're trying to find another solution so that people can move right across this area without the unnecessary delays, the inordinate delays they're experiencing at the moment. Definitely this is unfortunate, but it's an accident, whichever description you give to it. So we are going to find a way, and that's why I came to see first time.
Residents of Bumpe and other road users only depend on boats now to go across the bridge, but not free. Transport fare for the boat ride, to and fro, is 2 leons. That is 1 leon for each lap. And that has become a burden to most poverty-stricken families, with farming activities situated across the broken bridge, particularly those with many children. The president is aware that crossing the river with boats back and forth on a daily basis comes with negative financial implications for subsistence farmers and business people.
Unfortunately, it has to go with that because they're using fear and they're using manpower to move people right across. So they cannot be entirely free, but we want to make sure it is free so that people can move easily. We want to reduce the burden on them. That's why I came to see, and we're going to find a solution.
The Chief Minister, Jacob Jusu Safa, mentioned that procurement for one of the road projects that will fix the bridge has almost been completed. Salifuturna Kamara, AYV News.